Easy English sentences for kids. Good morning. How was your sleep? Hold the glass with both hands. What do you want for breakfast? It's time to brush your teeth. Did you pack your bag for school? Don't throw your food around. Stop fighting right now. Let's get dressed. Use your napkin, please. What did you learn at school today? Who did you play with? Did you finish your homework? What's your favorite meal of the day? Did you eat enough? Let's read a book together. You are learning so well. Let's draw a picture. Let's clip our hands. Tie your shoelaces properly. What animal is that? Can you share your toys? Time to go to bed. Please sit down. If you like these sentences, subscribe my channel.